Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashvika. Welcome to Global Magazine page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. In today's video guys, we're gonna be covering about the main stuff like one of the comment that I got on one of my video is that which of the print on demand website is can get you more money, and also is there organic sales possible or not. So I'm going to talk about the few of the print on demand website based on my own personal experience and based on what I'm seeing currently. I'm going to cover these print on demand websites, and we're going to be talking about is it really possible that you can make a decent amount of money from those websites, and also organic sales is possible or not. So before we dive into the good part, consider clicking on the like button guys. I really appreciate that. And also I have a bunch of the freebies for helping you making money in the online space. You can download all those freebies, link in description box below, completely for free, and can use it. Now talking about this main particular topic guys, I can tell you that I am also in my first year of my own print on demand journey and in my online space. So I haven't that much experience yet, but I think I can answer this question based on what I know so far. So I can say that it depends on the strategy. There are few parameters that you can make good money or not. First is that which platform you are choosing. What is that your platform you're choosing? Is that platform is getting good traffic or not? The first thing is that. The second thing you need to consider that is the organic sales is possible on those platform or not. Like if you're going for the Redbubble, Merge by Amazon, TeePublic, Jazzle, Society6, yes, organic sales are possible on those platforms. But if you're going from Teespring or some other websites, then maybe organic sales are not possible. So you need to know which kind of platform you are going for. So first is the traffic, how much traffic that platform is getting. The second is that what kind of a platform is it? Is there organic sales possible or not? The third is depend on your strategy. What are you doing? Like if you're just uploading 10 to 20 designs and waiting for 6 months or a year to make $1,000 coming from your print on demand websites or shop, then I really doubt that it's gonna be possible, because all these are third-party websites and like they have a huge competition on their platform. And if you're just uploading a few designs, then it might get you good money, it might not be getting it, but the chances are it's very unlikely. So let me talk about the first website that I think based on my own experience if that's possible or not. The first is the Redbubble that I'm gonna cover, because Redbubble is the most popular among the print on demand journey, print on demand space. Now for based on my own experience with the Redbubble, it's a third party platform, it's getting good traffic. Yes, it's possible to get the organic sales. I can say it's possible to get the organic sales because I also get the organic sales from that. But next question comes up, is it possible to make $1,000 per month from the Redbubble shop, or maybe more than that? Yes, it's possible, but it will really going to take you a time. It depends on your strategy. Are you promoting your shop? Are you doing the paid ads or promoting on the social media? Are you bringing more traffic to your shop or not? That is the first thing to consider. The second is the quality and quantity of your designs. Like what is your quality and how many designs you have uploaded? That will really going to determine what you're doing. The third strategy is what are the niches you're targeting. If you are targeting the high competitive niches and using the keywords that is a high competitive, that's very unlikely for this new shop to get the good sales. So it depends on the strategy. Again guys, if I see the other YouTubers, if I see the other artists on the Redbubble, they have been on the Redbubble for years. Like they have been from 4 to 5 years, or some are from 6 years, 7 years, and now they are making $1,000+ onto the Redbubble. So I really can't tell you that if you're uploading this amount of designs on for this much time, you're gonna get this much amount of money. I can't really tell you those numbers guys, because I don't have them. All these are third-party websites. I don't control them. If you control it, that's okay. But I don't control it, so I don't have that 100% answer to that. It's possible, but it depends on your strategies and what you are doing with that. Like if you're bringing a lot of traffic from your social media for your paid ads, then obviously you're gonna get good money. Then what is your conversion rate for your shop? If your shop is not optimized well, it's not related to particular theme stuff, or maybe it's a general shop, it's not like it's not looking cohesive to your branding of your shop, then people will going to land on your shop, then but you will going to have a less conversion or less sales, because it's not cohesive, because people buy things for the feelings, for the emotions. They just don't buy the things just for the sake of buying it. I hope it makes some sense. So it's possible, but I can't tell you the how many years it will going to take, because if I see the people who are making $1,000 per month onto the Redbubble, just onto the Redbubble, have been on the Redbubble from 3 to 4 years. I again don't know much about it. Now talking about TeePublic is also getting more traffic, but you can't increase your profit margins. So you're gonna get a fixed amount of money, fixed amount of dollars for every sale you're making onto the TeePublic. So that is really an important criteria, because if you're increasing your profit, then obviously you're gonna get more money each sale, but that's not there in the TeePublic. So again, it depends on your strategy, how many designs you have, what is your shop all about, what is your niches you're targeting, is it competitive, what are the title, tags, description, how well your designs are optimized for the products, how well your shop actually look, are you promoting it, are you using their designer referral income or not, like what is your strategy behind. And nothing happened overnight, guys. I really want to tell you all the things that I'm talking in my video on this channel, all those strategies or all those ways to make money online will really going to take you time to get the good money or get a good decent money from that. It doesn't happen overnight. Stick that thing in your mind that it doesn't happen overnight, because these are not quick money making schemes. These are not quick money making scheme, guys. I'm not telling you to sell some stuff on the online space and you're gonna get thousands of dollars by selling that. I'm not telling and I'm not recommending any kind of stuffs. So it will going to take some time. I don't know how much time it will going to take. It may take you a year, 2 year, 3 year, 4 year, don't know. So that is the TeePublic, you can get it. Now the third platform that I'm going to talk about is a Merch by Amazon. Merch by Amazon. Amazon is one of the biggest marketplace on this planet. So they have a huge traffic. Obviously, if the traffic is used, the people are more likely to buy from the Amazon, and also the trust score. People trust Amazon, their branding, so more likely to buy from that. So obviously, if you're selling onto the Merch by Amazon, their system is different, but you are more likely to get the organic sales because the traffic is huge. Again, it depends on your competition, what are you uploading, what is your niche, what are your strategy. They have the different tier system. If you are getting sales, then you're going to increase your tier system and you're allowed to upload more designs, and thereby increasing your profit. So it's possible to make $1,000+ onto the Merch by Amazon. I can say it's possible, but it depends on all those factors to determine how long it will take you to reach that level. The fourth website that I want to talk about is the Zazzle. Yes, Zazzle is also another amazing print-on-demand website. It's been a really long time they have been in this online space. They have so many print-on-demand platforms. The organic sales is possible on the Zazzle. They work a little bit different from the Redbubble and from other websites. You can increase your profit margin. I can say that you can get the organic sales, but it depends how your shop is there, how many designs you're uploading, what is your strategy, what is the quality of the designs. On the Zazzle, if you're uploading the designs mainly for the greeting cards or invitations, then you're going to get more money, because these are the things that are selling well onto the Zazzle. So it depends on your strategy. It might take you years to make $1,000 per month onto the Zazzle. So it depends on all. The third, no, not the third, guys. The another platform that I'm going to talk about is Society6. Yes, it's possible to make on Society6 as well. They have so many print-on-demand products. Like on the Redbubble, it's just a few. On the Society6, they have so many. But again, the profit margin is a little bit different. Like I have already made a video talking about the Society6. You can check in the card section above, guys. It's possible to get the organic sales, but it depends on how many designs you've uploaded, what is your strategy, are you promoting it, are you going for the paid ads. It depends on all that, because everywhere the competition is there. Like I don't see a platform right now where the competition is not there. So it depends on that. Another platform is the Spreadshirt. Yes, Spreadshirt is mainly focusing on the shirts and merch and all that. It's possible to make money. You're going to get the organic sales, but again, their strategy is a little bit different. This platform works a little bit different, and I'm new to the Spreadshirt, so I can't talk much about the Spreadshirt currently now, because there are all the third-party websites that I have talked about. There is Displayed. There are some other print-on-demand platform as well. It's possible to make money on them, but it will going to take some time and depends on your strategy. But another aspect of the print on demand is starting with your own print on demand shop or on your own website, integrating Printful, Printify, Guten with the WordPress, with the Squarespace, Wix, whatever it is, or even if you can integrate onto the Etsy. So it's possible to make money on those on your own website as well, because you're gonna bring your own traffic either by the paid ads or either by the organic traffic, like sharing onto the social media, or what is your strategy behind it. So it's possible to make $1,000 per month from your print on demand business, but it depends on your strategy. What is the platform, what you are doing with the platform, are you promoting it or not, and are you completely relying on organic traffic? What is your strategy? Depends on all those things. And keep in mind that it will going to take some time. Nothing happened overnight. So that's all I have for you in this video, guys. I hope I have answered your question. Do let me know what you think, and thank you so much for tuning in today's video, guys. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye, guys.